when you have output trouble on Bosch Solution 64 and other Bosch solution systems, it's not seeing the resistance at the siren. So to overcome that error, at least temporarily, you just get a couple of resistors. Any value will do. You pop them into the COM plus terminal, secure those, and the siren, the external siren is output 1, so you just pop one leg into the output 1 and secure that, and the internal screamer, these are both on by default, is output 3. So when you do both of those, they'll see the loop, and they will then remove that error from the system, so you won't have that issue anymore.